Alright, what's up guys? Dion here. I got bored over the quarantine and I'm trying to learn the piano. So yeah, leave some comments down in the comment section for any suggestions of songs that you guys want me to try and learn. But right now, I want to show you guys one that I learned, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so the door just opened. As you can see right here, I was recording just over there, and the door opened. That was interesting. Okay, I'm just gonna go back into my room and completely ignore that happened. The door just closed again, but the other door. I'm not gonna have any of that. I'm just gonna close the door and completely ignore that.